take a strip of a filter paper. With the help of a pencil, mark a level at about 3 centimeters. Then put a drop of ink. Now dip it in water. As the water will rise up, you will find this ink will spread here. And then you will realize that ink is not made up of only one component. Even when we want to study which pigments are present in a leaf, we use the same method, and this is called chromatography. So, which property has been utilized? The rate at which a liquid flows. This method can be used to separate colors from a dye, pigments of leaf, and drugs from blood. So, this method is also very useful. Evaporation is a good method, but in this one component is lost, and that is water. But what if we want both the components, or especially if we want absolutely pure form of water, then what do? Then the method used is distillation. In distillation, we take a mixture in a round bottom flask, pass the delivery tube in a condenser, or we can simply put beaker in a bigger beaker containing ice. Now what will happen when you will heat this mixture? Water will evaporate, pass through this. As it will pass through the condenser, what will happen to vapors? They will condense, and then it can be collected in a beaker, and salt will be left behind. Now actually speaking, rain is a natural method of distillation. That is why rainwater is considered the purest form. But human beings have not even left that pure. These days what we get is not rain but acid rain, because all the acidic oxides are getting mixed in water.